Hi, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Gala video update today. So I'm down on the 15 minutes time frame here, and I'm looking at how the 15 minutes time frame is looking like. So if you go into the smaller time frame, it looks like a gigantic left shoulder head got the right shoulder, and the irony is that you got the neckline that is being broken at the moment. So you got one touch right here, second touch right there, third touch right here, the fourth one right there, and from this point onwards you can see that you're probably pulling down like this, and you went up for the retest, and it seems like the rejection is happening at the moment. And as we further on progress to the 1 hour time frame, we always have this little bit of situation right there. So you have the breakdown, the retest up here, you're getting the rejection, the price objective still remains down all the way to this area. So that's where the technical target is looking like. The 4 hour time frame clearly shows that as well. So look at this, right? Even better, left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and what is left here. So you got the retest that is going on. So what about the EMAs as well? I'm just going to bring in the EMAs. All right, so here we go. Even you can see that the EMA is actually rejecting the prices. So you can see that you're probably going up and you're making a shooting star, which is a negative candle. Shooting star are going to be negative candles to push the prices even lower. So be very, very careful at this point of time. So you're still under the 10 EMA. You got the bearish cross on the 4 hour time frame. You went down like this, went up, got rejected, went down, went up, got rejected, came down, went up, got rejected at the neckline, and rejection at the EMAs as well. So this for me is not very, very good thing right there. So on the weekly time frame, let's see what's happening as well. So even on the weekly, you got a negative candle. So one green candle and one red candle next to it, both of them combined to be a bearish harami candlestick. And if you combine these two bearish harami candlestick, I'm just going to remove the EMA so that you can see it better. It means that the prices are more interested to continue to drop even lower. Now I'm still keeping an eye on it. I'm still keeping an eye on Gala. I do have a plan. I don't know if it's going to play out or not, but I do hope my plan comes into play, that I want to see Gala. Personally, I want to buy. I'm not saying that I want it to go down there, but what I'm going to rephrase what I'm saying, that I wish to buy Gala, or I'm looking forward to buy Gala if Gala makes it all the way down to this line right here, because I think that's the best entry that you can possibly get, I can possibly get. So we're looking for a touch right here, right? One touch right there, one touch here, one touch right here, and then you're looking for that another move down and one touch right there. So imagine when you were touching like this and moving up, going down, moving up, and you go down, and what if you do touch that line and move back up? Of course we're going to see some reversal candle, but I'm pretty sure if you do come down here, number one, you're going to be really, really oversold, because you're going all the way from 0.5 to 0.2 something. So that's a lot of a discount, and after getting that 50-60% drop, I do believe that you might look for a push back up. I don't know, maybe back up to that line, but let's say you do go back up to that line, right? We're talking about let's say, for example, 0.021 is where you buy, and you potentially go back up. That's like 120% move up. That's the reason why you must understand that I like discounts, okay? For buying purposes, I love discounts. And the second thing is, this is also a bullish pattern. I told you this is a right angle descending broadening wedge that if you break out of, you are looking for a bigger push. So what if we get ultra lucky and you get the measurement done here? So you go from the from the bottom there to the top here. Wow, 400%. Incredible. That's it. I'm going to see you the next one. I love this.